So as my conductor Ida, so right now I'm gonna present it to you my project, which is the lab3 view controller. So basically we need to loaded the view manager and loaded the Python file hub.py, and then after that I create the topology, and then the controller I specify as remote, and then the IP I using the loopback address, and the switch using the OVSK, and protocol is OpenFlow, and then the topology is set single and for which is we have a one at switch one switch, and then the host four number of hosts in the switch, and then it said the unable to contact the remote controller in the 6653 because the ports controller is the port in the port of 6633. So after that, it successfully adding the host and adding the switch, and the linkage between the switch and the host is successfully connected, and then it configuring the host and starting the controller, which is our ports controller, our view controller, and then it's starting the switch and it's enter the CLI mode, and then we test the connectivity of the hub application. So basically H1 can ping to the H2, so it's verify lah the hub behavior. And then we move to the part 2, which is the layer 3 switch application. First of all, we run the view manager, which is the view controller, and then we run the application file, and then we create the topology. The topology is same as previously, and then we test the connectivity by using the ping all. So basically result is 0% of packet drop, which is mean that all of the hosts successfully ping to each other. And then since we are using the view manager, the flow entry show earlier is priority 1 in port 2, and then the destination is 01. So it's mean that the destination is on the host 1, and then the action output is 1. So for the explanation, this module is a layer 2 learning switch application, and it's learn the MAC address of each host and store the MAC to port mapping. When the destination MAC is known, it is install a flow rule in the switch. Future packets are forwarded directly by the switch without contacting the controller itself. So basically, when it's already learned about the table entry of the packet, so it will directly forward the packet to the destination without without contacting or referring to the controller itself. For example, so the packet is coming from the host 2, and then its destination on the host 1, and it will directly transfer it to the destination, and then the switch forward packet directly to port 1. Output is 1. And then the default rule, it means that unknown packet are sent to the view controller. So it said the action is controller, so the packet is transferred to the controller, and then the controller learn the MAC address and install the new flow rule. So the simple switch 13 application implement a layer 2 learning switch using the OpenFlow. The controller learn host MAC address and install flow entry in the switch for non-destination. This reduce controller involvement and improve forwarding efficiency compared to the hub-based forwarding, when all packets are flooded through the network to find its destination. So I think that's all from me for the lab3 view controller. Thank you.